Travelling deeper into Gwynedd and North Wales, through towns, along valleys and into the mountains, you pass through modern, industrial, farming and more ancient layers, each with their own stories. And when you slow down, leave the path and start listening, a whole other world opens up. It's a place where a woman is made of flowers, an army of trees march into battle, and men sprout antlers in the deep magic of the waking world. In the grandeur of the mountains and the spread of the night sky, this living landscape is home to these songs and stories, stories of the hope and passion of people's lives and deeds.
And I wandered on the mountain, under stars and by the fountain, saw your face in every flower, felt your presence every hour.
Everywhere here has been trodden many times before, and the stories walk with us in their strangeness and glory. The masters of war, love, art and magic lived here, lives of love, deceit and revenge, reminding us of the dangers of magic and how close we are to the earth.
Just a dream I had about you, dim and breuddwyd samdanat.
When the story starts and the music begins, we tread alongside them with our own footsteps. It may all feel like a dream, but we know it is very real.
Dim ond breuddwyd samdanat.